Hello everybody, here we will show you how to clear Elementor cache in WordPress. Are you seeing old versions of your pages after making changes in Elementor? That often happens because of caching. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys the exact steps on how to clear Elementor cache in WordPress, along with clearing other related caches that might be interfering with your site's display. This simple process is vital for troubleshooting and ensuring visitors see your latest designs. Without further ado, let's dive right in and optimize your site's loading. Part 1. Clearing Elementor's internal cache. Elementor maintains its own files and settings cache, which must be cleared first. Step 1. Access Elementor tools. Log into your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Elementor and select Tools. This is the maintenance and utility hub for the Elementor plugin. Step 2. Regenerate files and data. Once on the Tools screen, look for the General tab. It's usually the default tab. Find the section labeled Regenerate Files and Data. Click the Regenerate Files button. This action rebuilds all of Elementor's CSS and external files, fixing most visual display errors. Step 3. Clear the browser cache. Optional but recommended. After regenerating the files, you should clear your browser's cache for the best results. Open the problematic page on your website. Perform a hard refresh on that specific page. Mac, press Command-Shift-R. Windows, Linux, press Control-Shift-R. Part 2. Clearing related caches, advanced troubleshooting. If clearing Elementor's internal cache doesn't fix the issue, the problem is likely held by another layer of caching. This is the advanced troubleshooting step for PMN Online. 1. WordPress caching plugin. Most common culprit. If you use a performance plugin like, in my case, LiteSpeed Cache, it holds copies of your pages. Navigate to your caching plugin's dashboard settings. For example, let's say LiteSpeed Cache. Look for a prominent button labeled Clear Cache, Purge All Cache, or Delete Cache Files. Click that button to purge the entire site cache. By performing these steps, you ensure that all layers of caching are cleared, resolving the issue of Elementor changes not showing up. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to clear Elementor cache in WordPress and get your site displaying correctly. If it did, please subscribe to the channel PMN Online for more essential WordPress tutorials.